This is the OR sound. Keep watching to find out how it's pronounced in British English. Hi everybody and welcome back to Lean English. I'm Ed and I'm here to help you achieve your pronunciation goals. Before we start, remember to like this video if you find it useful and subscribe for more British English pronunciation lessons in the future. Now let's look at the OR sound in a bit more detail. Do you remember the O sound which we looked at a couple of weeks ago? The OR sound is produced in a similar way, but the tongue is slightly higher. So first produce the O sound. Now do it again, but this time round your lips tightly and produce a long sound. O, O. Well done, you just produced the OR sound. This sound is produced with strongly rounded lips, and when we do this, the back of the tongue naturally rises. This gives the sound its technical name, the open mid back rounded vowel. However, this name and symbol are a bit out of date because the sound is generally produced with the tongue higher in modern pronunciation. Obviously, in real conversation we don't produce the O sound first, but you can use this trick to find the correct mouth position. So try and remember the mouth position and produce the sound again. O, O. Now look at these words. Can you identify the OR sound? Listen and see if you can hear it. Floor, for, board, worn, walk, August, dawn, thought. The OR sound has lots of different spelling possibilities, but most spellings include the letters O, A or U. This wide range of spelling possibilities has produced many pairs of homophones. For example, board, floor, worn, fought, caught, saw, shore, source. All of these pairs are pronounced exactly the same, so they could cause confusion out of context. Now, let's practice. Listen and repeat after me. Pour some more water. They fought a small war. Order in the court of law. My daughter always talks. The author draws indoors. Words that end with the OR sound often end with the letter R, but the R is silent because it's not followed by a vowel. However, it may be followed by a vowel in connected speech if the next word starts with a vowel. In this case, the sound is inserted. For example, more apples. This is known as the linking R, and it's a way of linking words together in connected speech. Words that end with the OR sound but don't end with the letter R can still be linked with the sound provided the next word starts with a vowel sound. For example, raw eggs. When the sound is inserted to link words that don't contain the letter R, it's known as the intrusive R. I recommend you watch my previous video on linking for more information about this. Well, that's the end of the lesson, but can you think of any more words that contain the or sound? Let me know in the comments below, and remember to like and subscribe for more videos in the future. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.